Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reduce the file size in your export right here in Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's get started. So here we are in Adobe Premiere Pro and we have our footage right here. And in our timeline, we have this right here. So we're going to be exporting this. Let's say we're done with this one. This is just a sample project. So we're going to go and press Ctrl M on our keyboard, or you can just go here into File and click on Export and Media right there, so that it's basically the same. And then from here, we have it right here. So we have the video, and we can see our estimated file size is 26 MB right there. And to reduce that, we can go into our preset. And then from here, you can go into choose a preset right here in the bit rate. You can low bit rate. Let's see, it's 28. It actually increased. But if you have a high estimated file size, and you can try it going here in a bit rate right here, so you can find which one would lower the file size right here. But as you can see, it's probably the adaptive low bit rate right here that it would be the best in your case. But in my case, since it's just this footage right here, one thing that you can do if you can't lower it right here in the presets is that you can go into the video right here, go into below right here, and you can go for the bitrate settings and you can reduce it right here. Since the 26 was our base estimated file size, we can lower it, and as you can see, it's now in 14. But be careful when you are lowering the bitrate, because it would also lower the quality, but it's not really noticeable. So I guess if you're going for 60, if you have a 60 FPS footage, then I don't recommend that you go for 5 right here. I think you need to go for about 8 or something like that. But yeah, you can test it out and see which one suits best for you, or you can research on Google on which bitrate, depending on your footage, is the best one for you right there to reduce the file size. So you can do it here in the bitrate settings, or you can do it here in the preset if you want to use a preset. But if you want more control, then you can go into the bitrate settings. So that is basically how you can do it in this video. Thank you for watching. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe, because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.